Here is the 2005 Camry, and I have here a new air filter. How cool is that? We're gonna put this on. So let me open the hood up and get this taken care of. Yeah, there we go. Oh boy. And looks nice. Oh man, look at all these little things from the trees. Well, the air filter is right in here, and all I need to do, I'm pretty sure, just take this screw and this one here, these two bolts, loosen those up, lift this up, pull the old one out, put the new one in. There's the new part right here. And it looks like this. Okay, so Denso Toyota. I got this at Priority Toyota, and if you look at it, it says front right here, so I guess that's going to be this way. Nice. All right. Let's take this off. Okay. Oh, do I need to take the bolt off, or can it stay in there? Let's see. Okay, well. Okay. Okay, so you don't have to take the bolts all the way out. They're kind of like stuck in there. Okay. So, let's pull this up. Let me see. Do I need to take any wires off? I might have to. So apparently I can't lift this up far enough with this on it. So let me unclip this tab here. There it goes. Oh, clipped it off. Okay, so that's off. Now I can lift this up. All right. Take the old one out, and you can see that it's been about 16,000 miles since I replaced this, and it's starting to get a little dirty. There's the old one, there's the new one, and you can see it's definitely dirtier. So let's put this new one in. What I did was I just took a pen and I wrote down here April 22nd, 2024, 145 927, so I could remember if I looked at this again. All right, so put this back in. Well, everything is kind of dirty in here. Well, let's see what we got. We got some I don't know, pieces of crud. All right, so all right, front, there you go, and it fits in there just like that. Really nice. Okay, make sure, look all around, it's definitely in there. So put these clips back in the back. All right, I can't see. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Hey. Okay, yeah, there we go. That's in. That's nice. We're done. That's good. Okay, so let's make sure everything's in, and clamp her back down. Okay, tighten it up. Okay. Hey, you know, that's good. Nice and tight. All right, that's good. I like to just not tighten one whole one the first time, just like sort of tighten it some more, tighten it some more. That's good. Okay. Okay. I think we'll breathe a little easier now. That's good. Nice and tight. Okay, and then got to put this back on. That looks nice and clean in there. Boop. Click into place. Hey, just to show you a little better view right here, this is the clip that I just had to take off. And if you look at down here, you'll see that the wire is really, you know, tight. There's nothing, there's no play in it to let you lift this top off or up unless you take this clip off. So once you take that off, like I showed you, this top comes right up and you can pull the air filter out and put the new one in. Well, here we go. I started it up and started right up, and it idles a little high when we first start it up, particularly on these cool mornings. But it is smooth as silk. Oh, and here's the look at these new headlights I got on here. Sweet, very sweet.